Hello everyone, I am Roxanne Jane Gaita from SYM Don Bosco Mati. Each of us is surrounded by many kind of people. Some of them teach us wonderful life lessons and serve as an inspirational role model. And I think all of us has someone in our life who inspire us in every moment of our life. And for me, that is Saint John Bosco, who inspired me in so many ways. Through his lifestyle, way of thinking, way of believing, and his way of talking. One more thing that I've been inspired about Don Bosco's life is being very much devoted to Mother Mary. As what he said, have devotion to Mary, help of Christians, and you will see what miracles are. When he faces problems, difficulties in life, struggles in life, or even when he loses hopes or in time of discouragement, just like Saint John Bosco, I have the strength to pray to Mother Mary, to believe and see the miracle that might happen. And in this third day of Novena, in honor to Saint John Bosco Feast Day, the father and teacher of youth, I urge my co-young people to see him as an authentic teacher of life, learn from his spirituality, and seek his intercession with generosity. Thank you and God bless.